Certainly, I am Chatgpt, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. As an AI-powered assistant, I am designed to assist users like you in a wide range of tasks and provide valuable information. Here are some details on how to use me and the benefits of utilizing my capabilities. Natural language processing. I excel at understanding and generating human-like text. You can interact with me using natural language queries or prompts, making it easy to communicate and receive the information you need. Knowledge and information. I have been trained on a vast amount of data from diverse sources, including books, articles, websites, and more. My knowledge cutoff is in September 2021, so I can provide up-to-date information on a wide range of topics. Whether you need facts, explanations, or general knowledge, I'm here to help. Research and writing assistance. If you're a student, researcher, or writer, I can be an invaluable tool. I can help you gather information, provide insights, brainstorm ideas, and assist in structuring and proofreading your written work. Additionally, I can generate sample sentences, paragraphs, or even entire articles based on your specifications. Language learning. I can assist language learners by providing explanations, translations, and examples. Whether you want to learn grammar rules, expand your vocabulary, or practice conversational skills, I can offer guidance and practice opportunities. Creative writing and inspiration. Are you an author, poet, or simply looking for creative ideas? I can help you explore different writing styles, generate storylines, or even assist in character development. Just provide me with some context or specific requirements, and I'll provide creative suggestions. Technical assistance. If you need help with technical matters, such as programming, troubleshooting, or understanding complex concepts, I can provide explanations, examples, and guidance. However, please note that I might not have the most recent information on rapidly evolving technologies beyond my knowledge cutoff date. General knowledge and curiosity. Whether you have a burning question, want to explore a new topic, or simply enjoy engaging in stimulating conversations, I am here to satisfy your curiosity. I can provide information, engage in discussions, and share interesting facts. It's important to remember that while I strive to provide accurate and helpful information, I may occasionally generate incorrect or misleading responses. Therefore, it's always a good idea to verify the information I provide through additional reputable sources. In summary, I am a versatile AI language model that can assist users across various domains, including education, research, writing, creativity, and general knowledge exploration. My goal is to make your interaction and experience as seamless and valuable as possible.